Today's market summary, a tough day for Indian shares as the US reiterates a 25% tariff on exports, causing concerns and a subsequent decline. The Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex took a hit, with broader small caps and mid caps also experiencing losses. The overall sentiment, cautious optimism amidst uncertainty. Amidst this turmoil, pharma stocks like Sun Pharmaceutical Industries saw significant drops following a downgrade by Investec and weak earnings forecasts. However, consumer goods giant Hindustan Unilever saw gains amid a rural recovery, with Goldman Sachs upgrading its stock. The resignation of PNB Housing Finance's CEO has been seen as a setback for the company, causing it to tumble 16%. On the flip side, foreign selling continued, reaching its highest since February, but global growth concerns have escalated, with the US imposing steep tariffs on trading partners like India. The Indian rupee strengthened against the US dollar, possibly due to RBI intervention, despite these tariff threats and ongoing portfolio outflows. In the bond market, weaker than expected demand at debt auctions led to a slight increase in the 10-year bond yield. So, where do we stand? Geopolitical tensions and uncertain economic conditions are causing turbulence in global markets, with India's financial indicators reacting accordingly. Keep a close eye on these developments for potential market shifts. In essence, the Indian market is grappling with a challenging phase due to external factors such as US tariffs and internal issues like management changes in key companies, leading to significant drops in various sectors. But remember, every storm passes, and so will this. Stay tuned for more updates.